About YouTube earnings. I'm talking about social media earnings. And you are a YouTuber, or you're a social media entrepreneur. Are you a content creator? Just put yourself where you are, but you make sure you are in a field that you can earn money. In this video, I'm going to show you how God has elevated us from one stage, second stage. Now is giving us in abundance. How is that? This video, I'm showing you how we performed in the month of February, exactly what worked for us, how much did we earn, what did we concentrate on, you expect this, how many videos did we do, you expect all this. And there are very 5 points that we are going to be looking at the end of the video that have made us earn more money. You know, the only aim, by the way, the main objective is to earn money online. And in this, let's dive to see exactly how our month of February has been. Out of this, we should learn. It's not about showcasing, it's not about showing you how big we are, how many subscribers we got, but what you will learn at the end of the video is more important. So stay tuned to us. Special thanks, you guys, to our royal viewers, our royal subscribers. You make us drink big. Let's dive in and see. In the month of February, we uploaded 40 videos, and of which all these 40 videos were uploaded in 28 days. Remember that. We uploaded 6 shorts and we had 8 posts. 40 videos, there's something to learn there. It was 28 days and now we are doing 40 videos. I want you to do that calculation. It means we're doing more than 2 videos on a daily basis. And in the same month, out of 40 videos, around 5k people turned into us. Not that they only came this month, but this month we had 1,000 subscribers who made our subscribers to be 5,000k, which was very good. We watched our channel 24.9k times, which is very superb. If you compare other months, in January it was a bit high, as you can see the graph, but in February it was more better. And you'll see that our channel was watched 4 times more views than usual, which is very good. We always want that as creators, as YouTubers. But most people watched the new videos than the old videos. And most people that watched in this month were new, meaning that people are looking for solutions, people are looking for help. And 10% of them were only returning. Out of 100%, 90% were all new. Then let's go and see what exactly did they watch. And this is where we'll be coming at the end of the video to sit there and see what to do in future. Most people watched recent uploads. When we are talking about recent uploads, it means that 27% of them watched for only uploads of February. Those are 40 videos. Then 71% watched the videos of January, which is okay. Then 2% watched videos which were published 6 months ago. This calls for something, and we'll be seeing it at the end of the video. People did not just watch, they shared you people. If you ever get people to share your videos, 524 shares from our channel, then we had 454 comments and 1047 likes, which is very good. Now the main objective of this video is here. It's not about telling you how people watched our video. It's about how to earn. How to learn and how to earn. I want you to know that YouTube recommends us that we get more consistent viewership with evergreen content. And I always talk about evergreen content. I don't know if you people know evergreen content. Evergreen content is that content that will always remain there, will not be outdated. This is the content that is not for seasons. Like now there's a season for Ramadan, for Christmas and other things. This is the content that people will be looking for on a daily basis. So they showed us how we should, we tried to choose topics that have been relevant, and they also encouraged that at least we can add on our explainers. You know, we have been doing the videos to explain some help, to explain some things, and even we do reviews. Then they have been a bit searchable. This one, it has answered most common questions that people are searching for: how, what, where, and make. This is what we've been doing. Then we have also tried to keep our catalog up to date, but not 100%. That's why you see 2% of the viewers are not they are just viewing only 2% out of 100%. 2% are viewing post 6 months and before. Now, having said that, there are some of the things that I felt are going to be good for you. Why should you make sure that your videos are up to date by updating the catalog? Why should you make sure that at least you should always make your videos evergreen, and also you should make your videos be searchable? I have 5 points that I've put down, and they have worked for us. They are still working for us. And if you want to make money, this is what you should do. The first point is that increased visibility and organic traffic. When you create content on trending and relevant topics with optimized keywords, your videos are more likely to appear in search results on platforms like YouTube and Google. This brings consistent organic traffic without heavy reliance on ads. Then the second point, why you should mind more on these 3 things to make sure that your videos are evergreen, your videos, your catalog is updated, and you have key searchable words, is high engagement and audio retention. Explainer videos, the moment you are into that, explainer videos and content that answer current questions or addresses some issues, they keep trend issues very attractive to viewers who are actively searching for solutions. When your content solves their problem, they are more likely to watch longer and engage and subscribe. And when people watch longer, they engage, they subscribe, is equal to money, of course. Then the third also point is about algorithm favorability. Platforms like YouTube rewards creators who consistently upload relevant and up-to-date content. Regularly refreshing your catalog with trending and evergreen videos signals to the algorithm that your channel is active, reliable, variable, and at the end, it will increase your chances of being recommended. And when you're recommended, of course, you get money when people watch your videos. Let's look at the fourth, is build authority and trust over your niche. You guys, I always tell you, building and trusting authority over your niche is not simple. That's why some people can stand up and say, it's not a must build to niche down. No. By staying on top of relevant topics and industry trends, you position yourself as a knowledgeable and trusted source. This authority makes your channel more attractive to both viewers and potential brand partnership or collaborations. Then the fifth and the last, before we talk about how we earn some good money out of these videos, but it all relaxes on making sure that your videos are evergreen, your videos are ever up to date, your catalog is up to date, is long-term passive income. This one, I've enjoyed it. If you go to see that 90% of viewers watched last month video, that is in January, meaning that almost 90% of the money that was that we are going to receive on 21st of March is gotten from the previous videos. So searchable and evergreen explainer videos can generate views and revenue. Even it can go to affiliate sales and other income streams, as long as after they are published, they are highly optimized and the CEOs get it. You are going to enjoy this money for a long time. The more optimized and relevant your video catalog is, the more consistent income you can earn over time. Now, having said that, you guys, I would love you to all be focused on this. You know, most of us, we are still working, but if at all you have time or you have enough time, you should also be looking for some a time and go back. You update your thumbnail, you update your description. You can even go ahead and update your titles for you to